So pag pinagsama po natin itong dalawa lamang, Mr. Chair, per day po ito sa diesel po, 2,324,312,812,000 plus 714,318,000. Ang gross income po per day is 3,039,130,000 per day. 3 billion, Mr. Chair. Kinuha po ninyo sa inventaryo ninyo ito. 2 weeks pa lang ang nakakaraan. I have to apologize for making this comparison. Yung 18 Marines po, yung kanilang mga dineliver na mga mali-maleta, kinumpute ko rin po. Despite the logistical nightmare scenario that was peddled to the public. Ganito po yun. Approximately, they were delivering 2 billion pesos per day. Mas mataas pa po doon sa maleta na dinala po ng 18 Marines. Allegedly, ang kwenta ko po is 2 billion a day, yung sinasabi nila. Pero ito pong sinasabi ko, it's 3 billion pesos per day ang gross income po ng National Oil Company. Representative from Chevron, we're coming from different perspective. What is the monthly consumption of the Philippines in terms of diesel? Diesel-wise, what is the national consumption?
The daily volume is 33 million a day.
Sir, I'm talking about monthly. How much?
Monthly is 900
Metric tons or barrels or what?
million liters.
996,348,000 liters. That's correct. Tama po.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, halimbawa, pag-usapan po natin yung diesel. Sabi po ng President, before the war broke out, we had 50 to 60 days of supply. Tama po. So after 2 weeks po, yung 55, tumaas po ng average sa 125. Kinuha po natin yung sa inventory, yung 125, sir. Tama po. Sir, you have to answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But I cannot speak for the others.
Yes, sir. Kayo po yung sumagot kasi tinatanong ko yung Chevron, kayo po yung sumagot eh. Okay?
I have the number kasi.
Yes, sir. So, 996,000, 996